Today I'm going to show you a Peplink SD switch. This is the baby in the series. This is the 8-port Peplink switch. Very cute. It's passively cooled. This is the rugged version. So there's no active fans. It's got a big heatsink on top. This is designed to go into hostile situations. So that could be in vehicles, in equipment cabinets, that sort of thing. And it's got a couple of neat power related tricks around that, which I'll talk about in a second. Let's look at the front again. So we've got, which way around are they? We've got a management port, management interface port. That's for out of band management. And we've got a console port to access the CLI. And then we've got a USB port here, into which you can plug a USB 4G dongle, or preferably the Peplink Max adapter, which is a USB modem that can plug into that for out of band management. We've obviously then got the 8 gigabit ports. And then at the end here, we've got 2 SFP ports for fiber connectivity and high-speed copper connectivity as well. And let's talk about power. So in the box, it comes with a power brick like this, with a 4-pin connector on the end. And on the back of the switch, you'll see that there's actually 2 power ports, A and B, and so that gives you redundant power option for the switch, which is a nice idea if you order an accessory kit with another power brick. Or, which is, I think, in many ways a lot cooler, on the side of the unit you've actually got a terminal block. Check that out. Wait for focus to kick in. There you go. And the DC input there, well, that lets you power this switch from, of course, DC power sources. Now, it's got a range of 12 to 56 volt DC on the side, 56 volt being obviously the nominal voltage, high end of the normal voltage for 48 volts. And at 56 volts then you've got full PoE power on the front at the full distance of run of cable as well. But you can actually get PoE out on the front at 48 volts. And I will often pair one of these up with a 48 volt DC to DC converter when I'm putting it into vehicles. And then that gives me PoE out nicely and lets me run multiple power sources too if I want, right? Because I can run a DC to AC inverter to run the power brick to give me one input on the back, and then I can do DC in on the side. So it makes for a really reliable switching solution for those kind of situations which you just need to work. It's fully cloud managed and in Control 2. It's just a really nice switch, and it's really heavy in the hand. It's a full metal enclosure, a great bit of kit. And I'm going to have a play with this one now and go through in Control 2, and perhaps I'll try and make some videos about that and how you configure it a bit later on. Thanks very much. That is the Peplink SD switch.